Stocks of Meta Platforms Inc., Twitter Inc. and Alphabet Inc. have recently been trending following their quarterly earnings releases. The social media subsector has been growing at a significant pace in recent years, and the COVID-19 pandemic bumped up this speed to an even greater extent. Snap Inc. has also recorded a significant loss of 79.49% this year, partly due to disappointing earnings. However, we won't be covering them in this particular report. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm Sage for kalkinemedia. So let's explore some of the top social media stocks that could continue to be on the investors' radar in August. Beginning with Meta Platforms Inc. The social media company, formerly known as Facebook, held a market cap of $431.88 billion as of writing, and Meta stocks gained traction after it released its earnings results on July 27th after the closing bell. The Menlo Park, California-based company posted total revenue of US $28.82 billion in Q2 of financial year 22, down by 1% from US $29.07 billion in the year-ago quarter. And this is said to be the first time the company reported a decline in its quarterly revenue. Its net income plummeted 36% year-over-year to US $6.68 billion, or 32% to US $2.46 per diluted share in Q2 financial year 22. Its daily active users, or DAUs for short, increased at a 3% year-over-year rate to 1.97 billion on average for June 2022. And Meta stock has notched a sharp decline this year. Having said all that, falling about 52.76%. On an annual basis, it dropped by 57.41%. However, at its trading price on July 28th, Meta stock was 3.28% higher than its 52-week low of US $154.25, pegged on June 23rd, 2022. On to Twitter Inc. Twitter's been in the news a lot recently. It's been looking at changing hands, and Twitter stock has been fluctuating since Tesla's CEO Elon Musk unveiled his plan to acquire the social media giant and microblogging company back in April. Since then, it's been one of the hottest topics, marking the twists and turns involved. However, the company has gained the limelight following the quarterly earnings release on July 22nd. Twitter's monetizable daily active usage, or MDAU, was 237.8 million in Q2 of financial year 22, increasing at a rate of 16.6% year-over-year. It marked a 1% decline in its second quarter fiscal 2022 revenue of $1.18 billion, and notably its revenue from advertisements soared 2% year-over-year to reach US $1.08 billion. Now, this San Francisco, California-based firm posted a net loss of US $270 million, or 35 cents US per diluted share in Q2 of financial year 22. This is a notable drop from an income of US 66 million, or 8 US cents per diluted share back in Q2 of financial year 21. So Twitter stock fell 6.28% year to date and 42.10% in the 1 year, similar to the broader tech stocks. However, in the last 6 months, it showed gains of 19.76%. Alphabet Inc. is the parent company of Google, and Google's parent has lost 21.42% year to date, while declining 16.36% in the last 12 months. However, Google stock returned gains of 4.45% this month and rose 5.44% this week. Now on to Alphabet. The US $1.49 trillion market cap company had a relative strength index of 52.39 as of July 28th. Refinitiv data showed RSI between 50 and 70 generally indicates that the stock is currently in a stable state. Alphabet's revenue grew at a rate of 13% year-over-year to reach US $69.68 billion in Q2 financial year 22. Its net income was US $16 billion, or US $1.21 per diluted share in the second quarter of financial year 22. In contrast, the net income of the Mountain View, California-based firm was US $18.52 billion, or US $1.36 per diluted share in the fiscal 2021 second quarter. So to sum it all up for you, the communication services segment was among the worst hit sectors this year, with the S&P 500 communication services sector plunging 27.89% year to date and slipping about 29% on an annual basis. Now, if you like this information, please give it a like, share, comment on the video below, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon. You'll be notified of the most recent videos from Kalkine. But for more articles, head to the website. It's kalkinemedia.com. My name's Sage for Kalkine Media.